You can hand form the cold fermented pizza dough directly on a 22-inch pizza pan with a coating of cornmeal. You can place the dough directly on the pan straight from the refrigerator. You want to be careful not to crush down the edges, but work it from the center out. It'll warm up as you work it. You'll get some bubbles forming from the yeast activity. You can spin the pizza pan and work it with your hand to stretch it out. It's a easy to form dough. You can also refrigerate it for 5 to 15 minutes. If it starts to spring back and fight you, then you can continue forming it. Overall, the process takes me about 30 minutes. You can add some sharp provolone slices and top of your sauce, then some mozzarella cheese. You can add some diced pepperoni and some oregano. Then you can proceed to cook it.